everyone, good morning. So today is the first day of the month. Today is December 1, 2025. So it's Monday. Ganda, it's a perfect time to feel confident. So today then is maaga tayo sa school, 6:40. So dawin na tayo sa 10 minutes walking lang yung from the boarding house going to school. Yeah. And now it's a cloudy day. As you can see, there's no. Nasaan na si Haring Araw? And this is gonna be the sign na naman na meron na namang bagyong darating sa ating bansa. Ang ganda sana ng araw. Sana hindi uulan. Later. Yeah. Oh, it's good. Gonna be a very and today din pala is after the flag ceremony is meron kaming kunting celebrations. I do not know, pero para sa akin celebration na yun. Diba? Wala kaming pinning ceremony sa school namin. Tapos yung assigned school namin is yung principal is nag-initiate ng parang mag-pinning ceremony kami doon sa conference hall, diba? He is so very thoughtful. Oh my God. Ito pa siya pinapalagan guys. Charot lang.
The craft to future educators ready to serve with commitment, integrity, and heart.
Many things lost with no direction. My faith is shaken, but
you have initiated this ceremony. May it be very simple yet.
Yeah, that would be all for today's video guys. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!